Hello guys! Welcome again to another sweet day with AnnSweetCo. It's been a month since I posted my very first tutorial video about how to make a leche flan. And I'm very grateful for all the support, the likes, the shares, and for subscribing. As we celebrate annsweetcovlogsfirstmonthsary, I will be sharing another bestseller recipe, yung pinakamadami sa mga orders ko. This recipe I made to perfection. For those who are requesting, ito na po, i-share ko na ang aking secret recipe. The same recipe I used for my orders. My very own chocolate cupcakes! This is just a simple recipe, but the catch is on the procedure. I will explain the steps so you can follow and execute it the same as I do so you can get the same quality product. Let's start and prepare our ingredients. For the ingredients, we have 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We need 1 cup of milk, 2 whole eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of hot water. We also need rubber spatula, wire whisk, cupcake pan, and cupcake liner. First step, combine all the dry ingredients. The all-purpose flour, the cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, the salt, and the sugar. Please note to sift all the dry ingredients to add volume to your cake. In my previous tutorial, I have explained about the creaming method. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yun, I will put the link below for your reference. And check it as well, as I have explained how it is done properly. In this recipe, we use the all-in-one. It's also one of the method of baking the easiest and quickest method, which means we will only add all the ingredients. But for me, the procedure, combine first all the dry ingredients in one bowl and all the wet ingredients in another bowl, and then combine together until smooth. So our second step is to combine all the wet ingredients. Kung wala kayong stand mixer, okay lang din hand mixer or kahit wire whisk lang. So we will start with the eggs. Next is the milk, vegetable oil, and the vanilla extract. We still have the hot water. We will add it a bit later. So let's combine first this. Pag nahalo na lahat ng ating wet ingredients, i-add na natin ang ating dry ingredients. And then, let's just combine the ingredients. Lastly, we will add the hot water. Normally, prepare ko yon pag i-add ko na siya sa mixture. Now, this is the secret. I use hot water to help bloom the cocoa powder, creating a deeper and more rich chocolate flavor. And this is the crucial part. When you put the hot water, imimix lang natin siya saglit, just until smooth. Our tip, do not over-mix kasi ma-form ang gluten doon sa flour that will make it dense or rough yung texture ng cake. So, slow speed. So, paano maiiwasan ma-overmix? Here's the tip. As soon as you see the mixture is smooth and fully mixed, stop mixing. That is to help you create a fluffy, cakey, and spongy na cake. So, ito okay na siya. Ilalagay na natin sa cupcake pan. So, ganito ang texture ng ating cupcake. Smooth pero liquid siya. Lalagay na natin sa cupcake pan. Nag-prepare na ako and nakalagay na yung liner. So, ang ginagawa ko para consistent ang size, gumagamit ako ng 1/4 cup para pare-pareho sila ng size. That is very important, especially kung ibibenta nyo siya. Not too much kasi baka umapaw. So ngayon, naka-preheat na ang ating oven. I-bake natin ang cupcakes for 30 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, let's check if it's already done. We will insert a stick, and if it comes out clean, that means it's good. There you go. Perfect. Ilipat ko na sa tray para lumamig, and later on, we'll put frosting and some garnish. Dahil malamig na ang ating cupcakes, lalagyan na natin ng decoration. Since chocolate ang ating flavor, meron tayong chocolate ganache for our filling, chocolate whipped cream for our frosting, and chocolate crunch for the garnish. To start, lalagyan natin ng butas ang gitna ng mga cupcake. Ngayon, ilalagay na natin ang filling. Next is, lalagyan na natin ng chocolate frosting. Ngayon, meron tayong chocolate crunch for the garnish. Ito na ang ating cupcakes! Yay! Tikman na natin! Pwede naman siyang kainin ng kinakagat lang. Pero dahil of course, for tasting, nagamit tayo ng tenedor. So, para malaman natin ang nasa gitna. Tada! Ayan ang ating filling. So, tignan na natin. Walang kakupas-kupas ang sarap ng chocolate cupcake na to. For sure, lahat ng mga chocolate lover alam, isa ito sa pinakamasarap. So guys, subukan nyong gawin following all the tips that I have shared in this recipe. For sure, makukuha nyo rin yung same quality ng pagkakagawa ko. So, dahil monthsary natin today, gusto ko lang mag-hello sa ating ibang vlogger friends. First, si Bentley, ang isang bata na bibong-bibo at mabait at napakatalino. Next is si Go Garrett. Garrett naman, na-explain yung mga about freelancing, work from home, and everything else in between. And lastly, si Almond Media, ang isa sa pinaka-talented when it comes to photography and videography. And abangan nyo guys, magkakaroon kami ng collab soon. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for celebrating the first monthsary of annsweetcovlogs. So see you in my next sweet video. Please don't forget to like, share, and